Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to clear translation history in deepl. So let's watch it from now to the end so you can get the full information. The translation history guys is basically all the translations that you have saved in the deepl. For example, I have here Apple translated into French. So once I did that, so what's gonna happen here, the translation itself is not gonna be saved. This is like a normal translation. Nothing will be saved. But in case I did this and I clicked on this button, you will notice that the translation is gonna be saved. Let's do a couple more. Door. And let's do, for example, a chair. So I'm gonna do this as well. And I'm going to try to save it. So let me just go back here, deepl translator. Here go chair, save. And as you can see, you've reached your limit for saved translation. In general, in case you had a premium version, you will be able to save more, but that doesn't really matter in this case. So what we are going to do now is delete our history, so we can simply just delete anything that we saved. So here, in case we had the premium version or the free version, you will have here a list of translations that you have made. Simply just click on here and click on delete. If you had the list, simply select them all and click on delete. So this is how you can do it. It's very easy and simple. Simply just keep clicking and delete them. So you can here click new save translation, go here and write down whatever you want to save. So for example here, Apple, and here like German, Apple. So I'm gonna click on save. Let me just go here, untitled. Let me just name it, for example, Apple in German. And just like that, in case I want back to save translation, I would be able to delete it through here. So this is how you can literally delete your translation history. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.